Today I'm going to share with you the sewing essential list for beginners. Number one is a sewing machine, just a basic, easy to use model with essential features. You also have to consider your budget. You just have to do your research. You can buy these from Walmart, Target, and even Amazon. You can also consider shopping at any secondhand store or Facebook marketplace. Number two are fabric scissors. If you want to splurge, you can go ahead and get this one. It's worth it. But this one is actually my favorite because it's just much easier for me to hold it. These sharp scissors are designated to cut fabric only. Number three is measuring tape for taking accurate body and fabric measurements. Also need hard rulers for creating your design. Number four are pins and pin cushion. This is to hold fabric pieces in place before sewing. Number five is sewing needles. Hand sewing needles for small tasks like hemming, basting, or even stitching buttons on the garment. Number six is thread. A selection of good quality threads in different colors. Number six is a seam ripper. This is to undo stitches if you make a mistake. These are also very affordable. I got this whole entire set for less than $7. Number 8 is fabric marking tools. So I have chalk, fabric pens, or pencil to mark patterns or fabrics. Also use a washable crayons. That will save you a lot of money because they are affordable. These chalks are actually my favorite because they are super easy to use. Number 9 is iron and an ironing board for pressing seams and fabric pieces flat. Number 10 are patterns. You can easily find it at any thrift store. This one is a vintage piece that I got for 25 cents. This one here was purchased on Joann's when they were having their pattern sales. So take advantage of those because this on full price is very expensive. I got it for $1.99. Or if you want to create your own sewing patterns, we are also going to talk about that very soon. But for now, these are all the essentials that you need if you want to start sewing and creating your own clothes.